Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how we can insert a SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things which comes provided with the device in the box. It's a SIM eject tool, but if you just can't find it, maybe you tossed out the box, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, let's take off a case, any kind of case if you have on your phone, because the tray is located at the bottom of the device, so right over here. You can see this kind of cutout, and there's a little insert pin right here on the corner. So just take your little tool or a little paper clip, push it in, and the tray pops out just enough for you to be able to grab it. Now on the tray you have space for two SIM cards. You can place them on either side with the chip side upwards. There we go. Now when you flip the tray over, the card should stay in place, it shouldn't fall out. If it does, that means that you didn't clip it in correctly. Anyway, from there, insert it back into your phone. And the card should start working right away. Oh, there we go, it's getting reception, and there we go. So, that is how you can insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.